Hello. So today I thought I would trim my hair. And also I did just dye my hair as well. So this shade of hair is supposed to be rose gold. It's not rose gold, is it? This is like, I don't know, like, is she pink? Is she coral? We just don't know. But what I do know is it's not rose gold. This is not gold. Not gold in any universe, but I like it. I mean, I'm not disappointed. But anyway, I've just washed my hair and I've dried it. I did the bare minimum with drying it, and then I just let it air dry, which is probably the best thing for your hair, but nobody cares about that. The little anxiety voice in my head just said, well, nobody cares about anything you say. So I mean, what's new? But anyway, so yeah, and I just thought, you know what, I'm going to take you along with me on a journey of me thinking that I can actually cut my hair and do a good job. And to be honest, like, most of the time, I think it turns out okay. I've never had any complaints from my customer, and I'm my customer, so I've never had any complaints. I've not complained to myself. I've actually said, big up your girlfriend, big up, you did a great job. Because you know what, I used to go to the hairdressers, I did. Fucking hated it. I'm not built for going to a hairdresser. It's a crippling situation if you are socially awkward. It's definitely in the top 5 most anxiety provoking places for someone that's socially awkward. You have to sit in the chair, engage in small talk. Like, there is no way you're going to get around avoiding small talk. You're just not. It's boring as shit. You'll see how quickly I cut my hair. It's so quick. Not when you're at the hair salon. When you're at the hair salon, they drag it out. They drag it out. And the worst thing about it is the awkwardness. But the second worst thing about it is how much it costs. Like, I've not actually been to the hairdressers in well over 10 years. And again, the little anxiety voice in my head is saying, yes, I think that's clear to see. I believe that the cost will have increased like dramatically since I last went, but I remember when I used to go, and for like a hair wash, so like a shampoo, condition, sometimes you would get like a funky little head massage, but not every time. Not every time, no, only sometimes. It was not consistent. So you never really knew, am I going to get one? Am I not getting one? Again, that's anxiety provoking. So when I used to go for like just a wash and just like a trim, 70 Great British pounds. 70! 70 pounds! What? No. I've got a feeling now it's about £1 million to go and just get a cut and blow dry. I know these pants are very unflattering, by the way, I know it. And I know I look like shit because I'm not feeling well. I've got a bit of a cold, but I am being super dramatic about it and pretending that I am feeling much more poorly than I actually am, so that I get sympathy from honeys and the boys and they leave me alone for a bit. If you're a mum, I know you've done this too. You've definitely done it. Because when is the only time as a mum that you can just take time for yourself, rest, maybe just go lay on the bed in the middle of the day? It's when you're not feeling well. So when you're just like feeling a little bit unwell, you want to hype it up a bit, you know? I know you've done it. And if you've not done it, why have you not done it? Okay, so I should really be like straightening my hair or something so that my hair is all like straight, but I just can't be asked. So I'm not going to do it. No. Oh, hello. Oh, hello, hairbrush. Meet everyone. It was rude of me not to introduce you, wasn't it? This is my hairbrush. If you are spending all your money at the hairdressers, this will save you some money. Like, literally, this is what I do. I just go like this, and then I go like this, because that's what I've seen the hairdressers do. Why am I doing this over the bath? I don't want to do it over the bath. Oh, it's going to go in the bath. So I'm going to just take you in here. Oh, by the way, Honeys has gone out, and he may or may not come back with a cat. I'll tell you more about that in another video. But why do I think that this is a better situation for cutting my hair? Because now I'm cutting my hair over a carpet. What kind of reckless individual am I really? But I mean, I can hoover. I have a hoover. I can hoover. I'll probably hoover in about 4 weeks, but it's fine. So, oh no, actually, if I do it over the table, sorry guys. This is a really, really poorly thought out video. Very impromptu. But, okay, so I go like this, and I go like that, as we saw before. And then I literally just go chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. And guys, this is going to save you so much money. And I promise you, like, it will look good. You just got to believe in yourself. By the way, I'm in no way undermining hairdressers. In no way. Like, I definitely don't want anyone to think that I am just as good as a trained, qualified, experienced, like, hairstylist, because I know I'm not. And I don't know, maybe I'm just trying to make myself feel better about the fact that yes, I'm socially awkward, and I find going to the hairdressers an extremely tense situation. And also, like, I just don't love my hair enough to want to spend a lot of money on it. And my hair's in a messy bun like the whole time. So yeah. Anyway, probably because I don't go to the hairdressers, but I'm just going to do a little bit more. I just keep going. I just keep going. I wish I could do the feathering cutting, but I can't. I've watched some tutorials, but I've had like quite long hair for many, many years. And I feel like maybe if I was wanted to, like, you know, like do some dramatic hair change, then, oh, that's looking bad, isn't it? Oh, Shania Twain. But yeah, I feel like if I was going for like a very dramatic change, then I would probably just like go to the hairdressers. But I know that I'm so dull and boring that I'm probably not going to have a dramatic change anytime soon. So yeah, this is what I do. I just hope that this video instills some confidence in you to maybe try cutting your hair at home yourself, because it's really not that difficult. And I know, yes, it's not perfect, but it saved me a lot of money. It did. What is that guy doing? Look, see how he's fairly straight. I mean, not really straight, but a little bit. I'll just try and get that. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. And then there's that bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Oh my gosh, look at that. Like, I can't do anything with this, and I would really like to go in and do some like choppy layers or something, but I can't. Oh, that's not straight at all, is it? Right, don't worry guys, we got this, we got this. You know, the longer that I look at this hair colour, I quite like it. You know, at the end of my trim, I always go in like this. I just go like that. And it doesn't feel right. Like, it feels very unnatural to do this. But that's what I've always seen people do. Oh, Honeys is calling. Oh no, has he got a cat? I guess I'm going to find out. He's on his way back with a new cat. But I don't know quite how I feel about it. Anyway, right guys, so yeah, there we go. That's the haircut. Yeah, I know it's not perfect. It's not. But think of the money that this has saved me. I just feel like if there's any way to save money, then, you know, it's worth looking into. So, and you know what? The longer I look at my new hair colour, I'm really, really liking it. Definitely not rose gold. No, but I really like it. This is how you can trim your hair and not pay for it. It's not going to look terrible. I mean, I know my hair doesn't look great. I know it does. It doesn't look fantastic. Like, anyone could probably look at my hair and say she did that herself at home, and that's fine. Like, I don't really care what other people think, because for me, I'm not bothered by it. Like, I like it. If you're the kind of person that wears their hair up in a messy bun most of the time, then why should you be spending like a lot of money at the hairdressers? Oh, you do you, of course. Like, I'm not in any way imposing my views on anyone or trying to tell anyone, oh, because I do it this way, this is how everyone should do it. Like, I'm not that person. But maybe, like, if anyone's like a bit like intimidated or a bit like anxious about cutting their own hair, I'm hoping this will give you some confidence to say, girl, you do it. Get those scissors out and go for it. Well, don't blame me though if you're not happy with it. Like, don't blame me. It was merely a suggestion. So we're not going to talk about this bit, because this, I wish I could lay, how do I lay my hair? Do you know how to lay your hair? Is it something like this? No, I don't think it is something like that, but Maybe if I just kind of go like that, because I do have lots of like dead ends going on there. Not good. Okay, so let's try again. Maybe if I just go like this, chop, 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 oh, chop. Oh no, I feel like I was chopping a lot. Oh no, I've started something now. I've started it, so I have to finish it. Should I just go like that? Or do I go like that? Because that'll make me feel better about it. I'll go like that. Oh. Do you know what? I'm sat here worried about how the Sphinx cats are going to react to the new cat. I am a bit worried about that. But I think you've got to like support your partner, you know? Honey's has supported me enough times with my crazy harebrained schemes. Oh, look at that! Oh my god, I think that looks really good. Look at that. Not bad, not bad. Oh no, she's full of confidence now. Misdirected confidence. Oh, I'm going to do this bit too. Look, I'm going to have no hair left by the end of this. Oh, did you hear my tummy rumble then? Oh, hello. And I've got this bit as well. Like, this bit is shorter than the other bit. So if I just kind of go like that, maybe. Okay, so I definitely like don't think that this looks great. Oh, not bad though. Look at that. Not terrible. Not that side looks really good. Let's just go like that. What do you think about that, guys? I feel like that bit needs to be like, oh my gosh, this is like the never-ending layering session. Do you know what? For a long time, I've actually wanted to just cut my hair quite short. How short would I want it though? Like that. Oh God, could you imagine if I just decided like, just cut your hair? Should I just cut my hair like to about there? Ooh, that would be very short. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I've wanted to cut it for a long time. And I've just never done it. Like I've been talking about it. A little bit more. Look at that, guys. Oh my gosh. The thing is, your hair is always going to grow back. It's always going to grow back. I'll just do a bit more. Somebody take these scissors away from me. I'm going too far. If my neighbour could see me right now, they'd probably be thinking, call the police. The lady opposite who keeps changing her hair colour is having a nervous breakdown across the road. She won't stop cutting her hair. Like, this bit doesn't look right, does it? And look at me saying that as if like all the rest of it just looks perfection, which it obviously doesn't. But if I could just get this to be like a layer, how do I go about that? Do I just go like that and then like this? You know, the irony of this video is that I'll probably end up having to go to the hairdressers to get all of this corrected. The irony, hey guys. Ooh, oh, that looks really bad. Oh, shit. Shit. Like, panic is setting in a little bit, but like nowhere near as much panic as I would have if I had an appointment booked to go to the hairdresser tomorrow. Ooh, oh no. Okay. Oh no. Oh fuck. Do you know what? A trim is fairly okay, like straightforward. It's this layering. Oh my gosh. Unless I just cut it all to like... Should I just cut it all to there? Maybe a little bit shorter, like maybe we do this in stages. I'll just do a little bit more. Right, okay, I'm just going to match it up with that side and I'm going to be done. I'm going to be done. Done with it. No, it's all just going so wrong. Not that it was ever going right, but... shit. I'm just going to go like this. Okay, right, I'm going to just leave it at that for now, guys, but I feel like ultimately I'm going to have to chop it a bit more. But I'm a bit, like, I'm not going to do that today. Because I have to learn to... Oh, fuck. Right, okay, I'm leaving it. I've put the scissors down because I'm going to just carry on. But you know what? I like this length. This is cute. This is cute. Look at all this hair, guys. We did it. Ooh. Anyway, guys, I'm going to go because if I don't go now, I'm going to just carry on cutting. And it's just going to very quickly become a disaster. It's a disaster already. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go. Thanks for watching. Bye.